How AI is revolutionizing personal finance in 2025. Make smarter money decisions. Artificial intelligence is not just for a big corporation anymore. Today, AI is transforming the way individuals manage, grow, and invest their money. If you want to take control of your finance in 2025 and beyond, understanding AI-driven tool and strategy is no longer option; it is essential. In this video, we will dive into how AI is changing personal finance step by step and how you can leverage it to save, invest, and make smart money decisions. Section first, AI powered budgeting and expense tracking. One of the biggest challenges in personal finance is keeping track of income and expenses. AI solves this problem in way traditional apps can't. Tools like Clio, YNBI, and Plum use machine learning to analyze your spending pattern. They categorize expenses automatically, predict future spending, and even alert you when you might overspend. For example, AI can detect recurring subscription you forgot about and suggest canceling them over a year. This could save hundreds or even thousands of dollars without changing your lifestyle. The key difference with AI is proactivity. Instead of just showing numbers, it gives actionable advice tailored to your habits. Section second. AI is AI in investment and wealth management. Investment decision can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. AI-driven platforms are making investing smarter and more accessible. Robo-advisor like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Upstock AI analyze market trend, your risk tolerance, and long-term goal to automatically create a personalized portfolio. Unlike traditional advisor, AI continuously monitor the market and rebalance your portfolio when necessary. For example, if a particular stock is trending high risk, AI algorithm can adjust your holdings to minimize potential losses. Even small investors with limited knowledge can have access strategy that were once reserved for huge funds and wealthy clients. Section 3, AI powered credit and loan management. Managing credit card or loan can be tricky and missing payment can harm your credit score. AI is changing this as well. Tools like Credit Karma AI and Experian Boost monitor your credit activity and give recommendations to improve your score. Some AI system can even predict which loan or credit card will have the lowest interest rate for you based on your profile. By using AI to plan repayments and manage debt, you can save thousands in interest over time and maintain a healthy credit profile without stress. Section 4, AI for Smart Saving Strategy. Saving money consistently is difficult for many people, but AI makes it automatic. Apps like Digit and Capital analyze your spending and transfer a small manageable amount to saving automatically. Some AI tools even simulate your future financial goal like buying a house or building an emergency fund and create a step-by-step plan. For instance, AI can suggest reducing spending on discretionary item and redirect that money to higher yield saving account or short-term investment. Section 5, AI is personalized finance education. Understanding money is key to making smarter financial decisions. AI now provides personalized education based on your knowledge and goals. Platforms like Finbox AI and Smart Asset AI offer tailored lesson, investment simulation, and risk assessment. Instead of generic advice, AI identifies gap in your understanding and guide you through learning exactly what you need to know. This means you are not just saving or investing, you are learning how to think like a financially intelligent person, which compound your wealth potential over time. Section 6, Future implicant of AI in personal finance. The future of personal finance is not just automation, it is anticipation. AI will soon predict financial crisis, suggest a new investment opportunity, and even negotiate bills on your behalf. Imagine waking up and having AI alert you could save $200 this month by switching your energy plan and invest $100 into a high performing ETF. Those who adopt these AI tools early will gain a significant advantage in wealth building. Conclusion: AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it is already transforming personal finance for millions, from budgeting and saving to invest and credit management. AI empowers you to make smarter decisions by leveraging these tools today. You can reduce financial stress, maximize your saving, and grow wealth strategy. The future of money is intelligent, proactive, and personalized, and it is accessible to anyone willing to embrace AI. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe for more deep dive into AI, finance, and wealth building strategies. Remember, finance intelligence plus AI can make you most powerful combination in 2025 and beyond. Thank you.